Hi, so this is a really wonderful tool that we have built, and I just want to walk you through how it works. This is based on a Google form. So user completes a Google form. Once the user completes a Google form, an approval email is sent to the principal, and if the principal approves it, then it is routed to IT for final approval. And if the IT approves it, then it is added as a calendar event, and also the user is notified if he is rejected at this level or at this level. So all this happens automatically using Google Apps Script, and I'm going to show you how that works. So this is the Google form, and I'm going to fill it out. Before I do that, I want to show you the configuration. So this is the calendar ID. This is the calendar where the events will be created. And so the first approval is either sent to this user, or this user. And if it is sent to this user, its email address is this one. If it is this user, the email address is this one. And the first approval is basically selected from the form, and I'll show that to you. So let's start with the form. Okay, so I go to the form, I enter my name, last name, and some of the information I'll leave it blank. So this is the part where the first approval will be sent. So I want to send the first approval to Lauren. What that will mean is the first approval will go out to kulfisoftwares@gmail.com. So I've selected Lauren, and also I want to enter the title of event as Lauren selected. And this is test description. And I'm going to select the event location as cafeteria. And I'm going to select the event start date to be, let's say, 28th April, and end it on the same day. And I want to start at, say, for example, 9 a.m. And I want to end at, say, for example, 2 p.m. Okay. So that is my event that will be created. The rest of the things I'll just leave it blank for now. I'll go next, go next, I'll go next, and I'll hit submit. Before I hit submit, I also want to upload like a test file just to show you how that works. So let me upload a smaller, I'll upload this image. It's 25 KB. So that image is uploaded, and I'll hit on submit. But before I hit on submit, I just want to show you my sent items. So the script is currently executing by using my Google account. So once I hit the submit, the first approval email will be sent to Lauren, because I selected Lauren on the form, and with a link to approve or reject. Okay, so I just want to show you that there is no sent item to Lauren at kulfisoftwares@gmail.com. So there is no Lauren here, right? And once I hit submit, what happens is it will generate an email, and it will send it out to Lauren at kulfisoftwares@gmail.com. And so here it is, right? And this is all the information that I filled in. So this is all the information I requested for April 28th, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And this is the file that I uploaded. So it is automatically going to Google Drive and it is also attached over here. Okay. Now what I want to do is I can either approve or I can reject, but I want to do approve because I want to show you the next step. Okay. So now it says, welcome, Lauren. Record was initially, and you're about to approve because I clicked on approve, right? So Lauren can come over here and say comment and click on approve. So once you have approved, what will happen is it will send out another email, and this time it will send out the email to um, IT, and IT is this one. Second approval, it is sent to Kulfi Software Services. So there it is. It is sent to Kulfi Software Services and it says Lauren approved the following request with the following comments. So this is a test. Was the comment that Lauren input and approved? Now the IT, the second guy has an option to approve or reject it. So I'll click on approve again. And I also want to show you that there is no event on my calendar or for the 28th. But once I click on this approve, now it says Kurt, right? And once, okay, approved with thanks, okay? And I'll click on approve. So what that should do is it should create a Google Calendar event on the 28th, and it should also send email to the user that your request is accepted, right? So what is happening now is it is approved over here. So if yes, user is notified, right? So the user is being notified. Dear Kofi, we are pleased to inform that your request for cafeteria is the location that I selected on the date that I selected has been approved. Thank you, Lee. And there is this comment that Kurt entered, right? So this is the email that is sent out to the user. And I want to show you that this event was also created with the title that I input in the form, the location that I input in the form, with the guest, with the description and everything. Okay, so that is how this automation works. How that works is from Google Form when somebody is submitting it, it goes to the email saying, please approve or reject it. And once the principal has approved it, it goes to the IT. If the IT has approved it, it goes to the calendar and notifies the user. I hope you like the automation.